Welcome back, guys. We are back from holidays, back in reality. At this stage, kids are back in school. So yeah, we're back at the project. What a break it was, my God. I have to say that we're one of the nicest holidays we ever had. It was our first time in France in very long time. We're kind of anxious going over, but everything worked out perfect. It was just amazing. Highly recommended. Really highly recommended. Anyway, back to do what we're supposed to do, or back to the project. Maybe a little bit of recap of where we are. Also, the car is painted. Yeah, the car is painted. That's about it. All the bits and pieces that I have taken off, like the headlights, the tail lights, the front grille, the what you call them, arches, they all need refurbish. So that's gonna be happening on the coming movies. I also do have a snorkel. Yeah, snorkel needs to be fitted. When I was doing the service on the car, I did spot a couple of places that had rust. It's only a surface rust, but I thought, you know what, if I'm so deep in it, I might as well do it. So over the coming weeks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get rid of the surface rust that was there and prime it. So yeah, that's on the agenda as well. I'll be honest with you, lads, I was not prepared for that much work. I thought it's just gonna be a simple project, but oh my God, it's far from it. I have the car for, what is it now? I picked it up safe end of February. Yeah, we're 6 months in. 6 months in. And yeah, I suppose that there's a big progress done. But Jesus Christ, there's a serious amount of work involved in restoring it. And plus, while I was working on it, I decided, you know what, why not? We can do some sort of upgrade. So I suppose that doesn't help with the speed. But I did set it on the very beginning that this is going to be my project car, and it will be done to a level that I'm going to be very happy with. We are going to use it for our family trips. We are going to use it for a lot of things. So I want to be sure that everything is tip top. So taking on that project, yes, when I took on that project, even though I did said that now I have no mechanical skills. I am not a mechanic by trade, as you can probably tell. I'm not a body panel guy as well. I'm an electrician by trade, but that's about it. Everything that I do with this car is a learning curve. I know I'm making tons of mistakes. I'm aware of it, but do you know what? If you're not making mistakes, you're never going to learn. So I'm taking it as a learning curve. What I will say as advice for future people, for people that never done a project like that, give yourself some time and don't rush it, because you're only going to make it worse. The amount of times I worked on the car and then just, you know, halfway through you're like, I cannot take it anymore. I need to stop. So yeah, you just had to stop and leave it and come back the next day. If it's still not ready for next day, just leave it for another couple of weeks. You'll be grand. Now I do obviously have my Monday to Friday job, and sometimes I do weekends as well, so I am limited by amount of time, free time I actually have, that I can jump in and do a bit of work on that car, which represents the length it takes me to do it. But as I said, I've never intended to do it fast. It was always, from the beginning, I knew it's just going to be a hobby, and that's what it is. Anyway, enough about me. I'd say thanks for those new subscribers, because there was I did had a massive spike in a lot of new people, so welcome on board, and thank you so much. And thank you to, I can't remember if it was a girl or not, but someone messaged me while I was in France that they've seen my car. I do have a sticker on the back on my wife's car, and she messaged me. So if you are watching, hi, and thank you so much. It was a surreal experience, I have to say. Yeah, I'd say that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy this episode. You can tell it hasn't been touched for a while. Jesus, look at this. Right. Holy smokes. I wonder, is it only in Ireland that if you leave something for just I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, the spiders are just taking over. What the hell? The webs are freaking everywhere. Alright. Do you know what? Actually doesn't. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, you little bollocks. Look at this. Bastard. You little bastard. Is he dead? I don't think so. Oh, Jesus. Now you're probably wondering what I'm going to use to paint it. So what I am going to use is stone chip protector. The original plan was to use black Raptor, but I'll be honest with you, I've checked the prices and it was working out for a can of black Raptor. I think it came to €25, and I was like, no, this is all I need, no point. So I'm hoping that this will be black enough. Shake, mask off the area, protect. Yes, do not shake can for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I don't know, Hugo, have a look if we have anything. I don't think we have anything sweet. Are you kids the same? I'm in the mood for something small. Right. We leave it for drying. Let this dry. What's next on the agenda? Oh, man, it's so hard to get back on track after holidays. Can you have? Yes. Yeah, you can have popcorn. Oh. Okay, this will dry. I'm getting the tape, the double-side tape that fix them or fit them. That's coming tomorrow, so I can fit the arches back on. Once they are fitted, I can do what? Oh yeah, I can restore the headlights and the taillights. And when I will do that, oh yes, the additional, I have new lights for the roof rack. Yeah, they need to be fitted. I need to tailor, or I need to hide the cables. This is gonna be fun. Man, I fucking can't wait to actually start driving it. Jesus Christ. Okay, what are we doing next? Do you know what? Nothing today. Don't know what to do with the. I don't know what to do with the. I don't know what to do with the rims. Here are the rims. I wanted to have black ones, but I don't have the budget to buy new ones. So what I was thinking of doing, I was thinking of taking them off. Well, I need to take them off. I need to take all the wheels anyway. So I was thinking of taking them off and strip the paint that is on it and paint them black. I don't know that anyone ever did that before. I'm not sure would they look nice if I paint them black. I may have to use some AI magic. Yeah, I may have to use some AI magic to see is it worth it. Okay, that's the task for the evening. Anyway guys, waiting for the paint to dry. Yeah, I'm waiting for the paint to dry, and I'll just do a second coat and that will be it for the day. I'm tired. I need to prepare myself for work tomorrow, so, and then after work I might do a little bit